thing.
Are you two going to be alright?
Where's the vacuum cleaner? You're dirty.
What vacuum cleaner?
Where's my coat?
What?
Disgrace! 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 Absolute disgrace!
Horrible. Horrible. Unbelievable.
In the bowling area. Okay, so I need to go to the
Bowling area.
Oi! What are you doing? No, what are you doing? Like,
Get out of my toilet!
That's Joel.
Maybe not. I'll try and stop them. You never know.
Oh my god, look at the mess of my home! My home is a fucking disgrace!
It is a disgrace. Ethan, it should be
This is for
disgrace.
This is for Nova. This is for Nova. Look at the fucking mess.
Okay, it'd be funnier if I was watching you make me film this. Stop! You made me dizzy, you son of a bitch! Bye, you fucker!
Look at that, Nova. Nova.
This is improper.
Oh, sorry. That's just what happens in Scotland.
Improper.
Look at chairs moved to awkward angles.
Not Japanese angles.
The police are outside.